what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have one of my favorite boxes for you guys. It is the Fab Fit Fun box. I am super excited. This box is absolutely amazing. If you guys don't know about Fab Fit Fun, click on my link below. You'll get $10 off your first box. It's awesome, amazing. Definitely try it out. I am super excited to unbox this for you. If you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. So FabFitFun is a quarterly box, and with my code, like I said, you'll get $10 off your first box. It is super awesome. You will find the information below in the box, below in my comments and my description. So let's get into the box and see what we have here. So you open it up and here it is. So you open it and there you go. And it has the brochure, and within it you have, let's see what this is. Okay, so, oh, here's a code for you guys. So this is awesome. So if you get started with FabFitFun, you can use this code here and get $15 off your first box. That's even better than the 10. So here you go. Pass this on to a friend. So whoever the first person is that puts this in, you get $15 off towards your first box. So that's amazing. You get it for $34.95. And if you use my code, you get it for $39.99. So that's awesome. And then next you get a HelloFresh gift card, which is $80 off, $20 off your first 4 deliveries. So that's amazing. And then you get the book that has all the prices in it and tells you how much things cost. So I'm gonna leave this out here. So let's dig into the box. So, all right. So the first item I see is this Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Oh, so you mix this into like your moisturizer, your serums, and it gives like a blast of vitamin C. So this is a value of nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure acid into your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This is $54. I'm gonna try that tonight. That's amazing. All right, cool. So then next item we have here is Harper and Airy. So my daughter's name is Airy, so that's super cute. And let's find this. And these are Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. This delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. These are $16. Look how cool these are. Let's smell these. Oh, these smell good. And they look like, you know, those like gums that you eat and they have sugar on the outside. They're so yummy. I can't wait to try these tonight in the shower. So we'll see. They're awesome. $16. That's amazing. All right. So next one here is Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Let's try and see what this is. I've never heard this before. So this here is Skin Volve Body Boost Gel, formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. This is $45. Wow. So I'm gonna try this before my workout and see what happens if it works, and I'll let you guys know. That's amazing. Very awesome. Okay, the next one we have is Human and Kind Skincare. This is Body Souffle, and let's find this in the book. Here it is. Let's smell it. This smells really nice. So this is Human and Kind Body Souffle. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil, shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. It's $18. That smells awesome. Really like that a lot. I'm gonna use that today. Vegan and cruelty free. Amazing. Excellent. This is an amazing box for the price. Next is Aveda Daily Hair Repair Damage Remedy. And this is, let's smell it. This smells good. I'm going to use this in the shower tonight and see how it works. This is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. If used with Protein, macadamia oil, and soy instantly repairs and protects hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. This is $30 for this. That's amazing. That's a deal. And you get 3.4 fluid ounces. And I do use a lot of styling products on my hair. I use straightener, I use a curler, as you could tell. And anything with a heat protectant in it is amazing. So I am super excited to try this tonight in the shower. Awesome. We're up to a lot of money here for this box. This is awesome. So the next one is Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Oh, cool. Let's see how much these are. These are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack. And these eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. $25. So we definitely try these for the bags under your eyes and see if this works. So that's awesome. Let's open the box, and they come in these individually packages. Okay, so there's 2 in each, and this is what they look like, and you just put them under your eye and you let them sit there for a little bit, and it gets the bags and the puffiness. So that's awesome. I'm super excited to try these out. These are $25. Definitely amazing. All right, so the next item we have here is this Kate Spade lunchbox that says out to lunch, and it has the little Kate Spade little tag here, and you can use this as a cosmetic bag too if you don't want to use it for a lunchbox. So inside it's pretty big. It would definitely fit my lunch, my soup that I have. So this is adorable. I love this. And let's see how much it is and what the description is. So 2A, this is the Kate Spade Lunch Tote. Ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute lunchbox, which features an insulated interior to keep your food cool. This is $30. That's super cute. Love the tag on the back. Love it that it says out to lunch. It's like a tan color with black polka dots, which is definitely my style, as you could tell, tan and black. Love it. I'm super excited for this. So yeah, so the next item, last but not least, is this straightener by Amika. I'm so excited for this. I have so many straighteners, but I have 2 girls, teenagers, that would definitely use this if I don't, but I'll definitely try it out first before them to make sure it works, and then probably pass this along. So this is the straightener. It comes with this really adorable bag. Here it is, Amika. And then here is the straightener. I love this color, and it has the black plates on them, and it looks like a longer cord, which is awesome. So this is the straightener, and let's see what it says. This is Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Straightener. Have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plate generates safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. $80. $80 for this. This is amazing. This pays for the whole box plus some, almost 2 boxes. So this is awesome. Definitely get your box. You still can. Go click on my link, get your discount, and then that one card, so one lucky person can actually get $15 off. So super excited. Guys, get over to FabFitFun. This is amazing. This box is valued at a lot of money, probably over $200 with all the stuff that I have. So go over, check it out. If you like these kind of videos, guys, keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any other boxes or anything you'd like to see on my channel. I'm open to anything. Makeup tutorials, new makeup that's coming out. I love that as well. So please come back and like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.